Today we are going to be talking about ecstasy. What is ecstasy? It is a compressed round powdered pill, usually with designer logo stamped on it so people can identify what type of ecstasy they have. It can be taken orally, insufflated, or used as a suppository. Ecstasy is usually a combination of MDMA and MDA. Sometimes it can be cut with other drugs such as methamphetamines or 2CB. Pure MDMA is known as Molly and is usually sold in crystal form. Ecstasy works on the serotonin neurotransmitters of the brain, and MDMA produces the feel-good empathy effects, otherwise known as rolling, while MDA produces more of the psychedelic impairments and visual effects. Rolling can usually be felt within 30 to 60 minutes, and the peak comes on fast. The total duration of the roll can be 3 to 5 hours depending on the dose. The hangover effects can be felt within the next 72 hours and can last up to a week. Some of the positive side effects include mild to extreme mood lift or euphoria, increased willingness to communicate, increase in energy, ego softening, decreased fear, anxiety, and insecurities, forgiveness of the self and others, and increased tactile sensation, pleasure from the senses of touch and being touched, which is where the term cuddle puddle comes from. The negative side effects include nausea if snorted or taken orally, inappropriate and unintended emotional bonding, mild to extreme jaw clenching, difficulty concentrating, impaired ability to focus eyes, muscle tension, memory impairment, insomnia, increase in body temperature, and sadness on coming down, which they call the post-trip crash. Mild to severe depression can last for up to a week. Ecstasy was originally used for marriage counseling until it was turned into a Schedule I controlled substance in 1985. It is now being used in very promising treatments for post-traumatic stress disorder.